guys, this is Often Mask, and today I'm gonna today the content for today. Hello guys, this is Often Mask, and the content for today is about how to know if someone has accessed your Facebook account or someone logged in your Facebook account. When you feel that, when you feel like your Facebook account is being hacked or being used by someone, you just have to. There is this one option that I could give you guys on how to know if someone has used your account. This is just the easy step and one of the options you can know. So stay tuned and continue watching this video. By the way, I found out that most of you guys haven't subscribed yet to my channel, so I'm encouraging you to please subscribe because through your support, I'll be encouraged of. I can promise you that even though my quality isn't that very high or my content is not that very informational, but I'll try my best to improve every video I will show you. To show your support, please subscribe, like, share, and be notified for my upcoming video. To start the tutorial, I'm gonna video it. I'm gonna screen record it in my phone using Mobile. So hello guys, this is hello again. This is Often Mask. So today I'm gonna show you through screen recording about what content, just like what I said, the content of our video for today. So since we're talking about Facebook, we need to go to Facebook. You know, when seeing your account, if it is hacked, number one thing that you should think is how to know about it without feeling unsafe. So instead of using
other webs or apps.
we will use Facebook. So reminder, you can use Facebook app, Facebook Lite, but I suggest you to use Chrome in order to be convenient or fast or quick in knowing. Okay, just like what I said, we need to use Chrome. I'm sorry for my voice, by the way. It's because I have cold, so my voice is kind of weird right now. So to see, in order to see, um, in order to see if someone has access to your account, you need to, of course, log into your account or any account you would want to see if someone has accessed it. So in my case, I'm gonna use mine. I'm just gonna type the password, then log in. Now, as you can see, you can use it. You can use a Chrome with the free version. Not necessarily you put, data or Wi-Fi version. So you go to your profile, as you can see your profile, and then go to about, or you can actually just go directly below it, and go to the settings and privacy. So in settings and privacy, there are these options, or there are these um, sorts in what you need to adjust or see in your accounts. So since we are finding if someone have access to your account, so it is under security, because if you feel like someone has access to your account, you need it means that you have lost a sense of security. So you go to password and security. There, there, you'll see when you're logged in. This is one of the way you can know if someone has um has access to your account. For example, I'm using right now Samsung Galaxy A03s, and the gadget that is showed here is Samsung Galaxy A03s. However, the location is not always the exact. So um, you need to only take note about the gadgets that you are using. So the gadget you're using could be it could be put like it could be shown as Android because especially if you are using browsers or Chrome. So you can see that you don't need to be alarmed of if you see Android something. Just take note first the gadgets that you are using because it will be shown in here. So if you see another gadget that has logged in into your account, you just have to secure your account. So in securing it, um, most usually there is this button below it that shows log out all session option. So there you will press it. After you press it, it means that all the gadgets that has your accounts or possibly save your passwords may not save your passwords anymore, especially if you change your password. So if you change your password and then you press log out all sessions, the gadgets that has logged in your account, the gadgets that your account has logged in will automatically be logged out. So that's one way of securing your account. And to be alarmed, this is advice. To be alarmed if how if if somebody may try to log in your account or try to access it or had already accessed it, not just only here you would know you can also be notified. So in order to be notified by Facebook when someone you are not familiar with or someone that has different gadgets that you usually use has logged into your account, you need to set this setting up extra security. You know, yeah. This one, get alerts about unrecognized logins. You have to on it. Edit. You have to edit in notification, email, something like that. Facebook will notify you if something is weird in your account. You can use the two-factor authentication too. It says that we'll ask for a login code if we notice an attempted login from an unrecognized device or browser. See, that's one way of knowing if someone has access to your account. So that's all, guys. I hope this is informational and helpful. And if it is helpful, and if you uh, saw someone or if you know someone that has struggling in finding or in figuring out if someone has access his or her account, you found this understandable and helpful, you might as well share this to someone. This may help. So I hope my explanation is clear, and if it's not, I'm really sorry. I need to improve my uh, the way I speak in English or my vocabulary. I need to deepen it. So, anyways, there are a lot of room of improvement. So, I'm hoping for your supports in order for me to continue, and continuation means improvements through. So, continuation means improvements through time. So, I hope, guys, this is informational, and I hope you still continue to support me, supporting through subscribing on my channel, liking, sharing, and be notified by to my upcoming videos. Notification bell. Just press the notification bell to be notified. That is beside the subscribe button on my channel name. Yes, this is often mass. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys still continue to support me so I could continue doing vlogs and tutorials. So that's it, guys. Thank you. God bless.